Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check earbud and case firmware version for your HONOR Earbuds X6. You have to start by open HONOR AI Space application. And now, if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see them at the device list. Tap on it, and then click at the three dots at the right top. Then go to device settings and to device information. And right here at the fourth line we have firmware version, so you can check it right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!